Okay, now I gotta do it.
You're...
Wait,
What is up, guys? Today we are playing Animal Company with Timmy. Don't be Timmy voice.
what's up, guys? Today
His,
I am
his
going
voice,
to be playing with Artos the King.
aka
I'm playing
Goober
with
BFDI.
Goober and
Timmy.
this Goober. I'm playing with
And
these
Timmy.
two Goobers, and we're getting cars to the main map.
So
Or
first
traffic.
things you need is a heart gun and MRE.
You need a heart gun and
MRE.
MRE.
And then
and
you
then
grab a
you
rocket,
want-
go up to the spaceship. I swear to God, if you started without all of us, you can press the button. Now we're all going to space.
I've never actually been to the space map.
Oh, you haven't?
Nope.
Well,
So
instead of
then you gotta explain it to him.
yeah, we gotta explore it first. Don't do the glitch yet. Don't do the glitch yet. We'll explore it.
No, you've been to the space map.
No.
Bro, you stole my car. Yo, bro, come here. Timmy. Hoop. Timmy, there's a new boombox.
Yeah.
All right, let's do the glitch now.
Alright.
So what?
Turn your ray gun onto the
Side.
Turn your ray gun onto the blue side, point it all the way up, go full blast, and shoot. Sometimes it doesn't work. If they're like really close to the edge. There you go, and then. There we go. There it is. See it? Bro, car move. I made it. I got it. I got the car. Guys, come to spawn. Hi!
Bro! Okay, now I gotta do it.
You're... I love this glitch. Guys, I'm going to McDonald's, by the way. I'm eating in Animal Company. I'm at the drive-thru. McDonald's, please! McDonald's, 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 McDonald's! Boom, 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 boom. There's anchor. Ah. Thank you for food. Thank you for food.
Guys, keep in mind, the more you
Hi.
leave the game with it still in your hand, it can't blow up and respawn.
Hi. Hello. Look.
Yeah, it can.
Look at me right now, bro.
Like,
Has anybody else than me done it?
no, you're the first one.
That means I'm the most pro. Timmy, go into app chat. Timmy, go to app chat.
Over, goober, over, over,
My headset's at 5%. Better not run out of fuel. I can see the ogre. Should I drive towards the ogre, guys? Here we go. Back up, please. Yee-haw! Yee-haw! Wee! Oh yeah.
I think Bro's headset died.
I'm the most pro.
Yeah,
Okay,
me too.
Oh,
Never mind. His headset didn't die.
Where is he then?
No.
Oh yeah, I'm popping that wheelie.
Yeah.
Shit, I swear at the corner.
You are just the key.
What? You can call me Goober still.
I got a Jesus.
Board here, but my head's at 3%.
Mine's about to be at 3% too.
Y'all should come back to spawn so I can end the video. Oh my god.
Lucas, jump through the screen.
What are you doing? What are you trying to do, man? Dude, I need to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye, guys!